This is on our farm tractor. This is Michael, traveling down a highway called Ferry Road in Bucks County. We always check to make sure that the traffic is clear and there's nothing coming. Nothing even in the horizon that we can view. And then we pull out on the road. Highways in Bucks County are very difficult to travel with tractors because a lot of people just want to get around the tractor as soon as they can. They have no patience whatsoever. Now notice that there is no way we can pull off the road. There's a ditch on both sides. However, a tree trimming truck goes right on by us, even though a curve is dead ahead and in a no passing zone. But not to be outdone, lo and behold, another truck with a chipper goes by, even though cars are coming at the curve. A near miss. Makes you realize that it's hard to get around in Bucks County on a tractor. Coming up to another curve. And we'll have another person passing on a curve. This is a normal tractor ride in Bucks County. This is what happens. Our farm is located on Route 313 and Ferry Road in Bucks County. And we have a lot of trees and shrubs, but give us a call at 215-651-8329. And now some pictures from around our farm and some of the trees and shrubs we deliver and plant. We also sell seedlings and transplants. These are our flowering pear trees, our green giant arborvitaes. Again, call us at 215-651-8329, Highland Hill Farm. And now some scenes from around our farm traveling in our fields.